stocks actually will be in focus. Chandan, I'll switch it to some of the smaller names, and I know that we just got 20 seconds to go. So actually, I'll take a bit of a pause there. Wait for markets to open. We're seeing around a 70 to 80%, or rather 70 to 80 point increase on the Nifty 50 index. So we're seeing a decent kind of move. But of course, that GIFT Nifty indicating 150 points, that's not translated. A decent 2.5% move is what we're seeing on Adani ports in late minutes of pre-open. Let's in fact get straight at it. In terms of the Nifty 50, we're up 0.7%, around 0.75% higher, 200 points up. So we are around the 24,200 mark. So a good strong open is what we are seeing. In fact, much stronger than what we were penciling in even at the point of or just before pre-open, what the GIFT Nifty was indicating. We're seeing a very, very strong start on the Nifty 50 index. The IT index is leading from the front, again 0.7% higher. The Bank Nifty also looking surprisingly resilient, 0.5% odd higher. The breadth looks favorable as well. Just some of the key positives: 44 advances on the Nifty 50 to just about 6 declines. 4.5% lower on Kotak Mahindra Bank on the back of those numbers. It seems that going forward, the fact that margins may come off a little bit is not being taken very well by the street. At 4% lower on that one. DRL is the other one, 2.5% lower, but just just 7 to 8 counters trading in the red. So nothing much in terms of a concern. Maruti Suzuki, after the kind of confident commentary that came out, 4% higher on Maruti, 4% higher on Bajaj, nearly 4% higher on an Adani Ports. Again, very strong numbers from Adani Ports. HUL is the other one, 2% higher on HUL as well. So those are some of the big gainers on the Nifty 50 index very, very early this morning and very, very early this week. In terms of the contributors, let me pull those out as well. Gives us a sense of what the tilt looks like. HDFC, L&T, Maruti are some of the key contributors on the Nifty 50 index, but it's really the breadth which is taking the index higher. The biggest contributor is the negative 30 points that Kotak is contributing to the Nifty index. Let me take it also and try and get you a view with regard to the Nifty mid-cap and small-cap. The broader market's also doing fairly well for themselves this morning. 0.8% higher on the Nifty mid-cap. Around 0.8% higher on the Nifty small cap as well. So a decent move on both of those. The breadth there also looking fairly positive. All sectors trading in the green. 0.25% higher on IT, giving up those early gains. The auto index is up 2%. The realty index is up 1.9%. So some good moves seen there. 1.25% higher for the Nifty PSU banking index as well. So a decent move seen there as well. FMCG up 1%, metals up nearly 1% as well, and banks up 0.5%. So banking is where some of the underperformance is creeping in. The Nifty Pharma Index up around 0.33%. You want to keep your eye out on OneSource Pharma. It has received Canada approval for Ozempic. In fact, the Nifty Private Bank is down around 0.25% thereabouts. But that's largely also a drag created by Kotak Mahindra Bank. So you want to keep your eye out on the Nifty Private Bank, because that's probably the only sector along with defense maybe seeing a bit of a cool off in early minutes. Chandan, what do you make of the kind of move, this 200 odd point move on the Nifty? Sustainable in your opinion?